Okay, calling na po ang freighters. Where na you? Dito na po sila po. Maraming salamat po. Ito pong host with you, Arvin G Vlogs. And you're watching it na po ang first game po. Supposed to be freighters versus the Hub. Ang The Hub po is nandito na po ngayon. Present na po sila. Pero ang freighters is still missing po dyan. Kaya calling all freighters, where na you? Dito na nandito na po yung mga kasama, yung ano po nila, mga kalaban po nila. Where na you po dyan? Freighters, we have now 13 minutes before you arrive. Kahit po 5 po kayo, wala pong problema. Basta na po maano po itong ligang ito, may continue po natin, ma-push po natin ito. Okay, teka lang habang nag-aantay tayo. Ito na. Ayaw talaga, hindi nagpapapasok. Freighters, calling freighters. Where na you? Dito na po sila. Andiyan na, dumating na? Dumating na. Freighters, calling all freighters po. Okay, this is your aviation friendly Doubles of Flying League. First, we'd like to thank the sponsors, Team LBC, Hanap Padala, and Thread the Needles. Sampo natin po dyan ang SPB ARA and PSP Basketball League. Ito pa ating mga participating teams: Hub, Oryx, Cabin Line, Boleros, Airport United, CASP, In-Flights, Mechanicos, Sky Team, Freighters, and QR Towers. Sampo natin po dyan ang eliminations. First game for tonight po is the Hub versus Freighters. As of na po, ang Hub po is present na po. Ang Freighters po is we're still waiting po para po sila po ay makabalik na po, makarating na po rito po sa Newton International School in Doha. Simulan na po ang kanilang defaulting time po ever since po at 11:25 remaining. Ang Freighters po is still yet to be, yet to come. Kaya Freighters, where na you po? Where na you po ang Freighters po? Where na you? Dito na Yan, Freighters po. Where na you? Freighters po. Where na you? Ulang to. Isim pa to. Oy, where na you? Ayan lang po ha. Enter po tayo, wait lang po tayo. Creators. Bago kasi ito. Tayo lang po tayo ha. You have now 6 minutes left before maano po yung yung laro po. Freighters, where na you? Dito sa gilid nag-upgrade nag-upgrade ng pera. Seven 657 007. Ganyan talaga sa 7657 007. Second game, Hub versus may Sky Team versus Airport United. Sky Team, Airport United, please prepare. You have to start on time, okay? 4 minutes left po before sumipot po ang freighters. Maraming salamat po. Billy Shena and Company, and of course Julius Babag and Company, where na you? Dito na, you have to start on time, okay? 7657077 Huh? 27657 ano na? Para to. Facebook na po. Okay, that's it po. Maraming salamat po. Winner by default po, Team The Hub. Ito po sila, ayan, napatunay po. Freighters, hindi po sumipo, dahil po hindi po sumipo po ang Freighters. Winner po by default or forfeit po is Team The Hub. Maraming salamat po. And of course, see you po again po. Ito ha, mag-announce po tayo. Winner by default po ang The Hub over Freighters. Thank you very much po sa inyo po lahat po. And of course, coming up next po is Sky Team and Airport United. Hello! Sky Team Airport United, please come on time because hindi po, you will start on time na po. Okay? Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. See you always.